What's good, everyone? It's your boy Ben YG back at it again for another video. So if you've read the title of today's video, you already know what we're doing. But first we got to start off with some food because your boy's pretty hungry. It's been a long night ahead of us. A long night that we just experienced. So yeah, let's get some food.
57, I freaked out when I saw the same one. If it was any different.
So we are currently in at Simply Automotive for Westside Avenue. This is where I purchased this automobile vehicle of mine. So I probably won't be able to get any driving shots, and I'll just put in some stuff. I'll put in, some sick B-roll, but pretty much this is the car I've bought. This is the car I bought, I'll make a story time video of actually how I went about looking for my car, but yeah. This is it. Let's get it.